So let's see how we can solve the complete cube now. First solving the edges, then solving the corners. So we'll create the edges string first, then the corner string, and then we'll solve the complete cube. And before that, you can also scramble this cube with me, or just like I am doing, so that you can also follow along all the steps that we are doing and we can solve it together then. So for scrambling, I have kept the red side on top and yellow in front, and did F prime, L prime, R prime, F, R2, U, L, D, U prime and R. So after that you will get this scramble, and then for solving I am keeping the yellow side on top, yellow center on top, and green in front. So if you also do this, then your cube will also look like this, and you can then do this. You can then solve this cube just like I am solving in my cube. Okay, so I'm starting from yellow on top and green in front. And let's start making the edge string from this B piece. So this will go to I, this I will go to P, this P will go to O position, this O will go to W, and then this W will come back to this position. So one cycle is done. So one cycle is done, we'll start from another cycle. So let's start from this D piece. So always try to start from that piece which is very easy to bring it on D position. You can choose any, but best is if you start from, so let's say this piece, or maybe this piece. So these are easy to bring it on top. You can simply bring it on top like this. So I'm starting from D, it's already on D. So this D will go to L, and this L will go back to E. So this cycle is also done. So we'll start another cycle. So let's start another cycle from A position. So we can start from any position. I'm starting from A. So this A piece will go to R position. This R position piece will go to T position, this one, and this T piece will come back to this place, and it will be Q. So it will end on Q. So our string is done for edges. Now we'll make the string for corners. So we'll start from the A piece always, and this A will go to M, and this M will go to Q, this side Q, this Q will go to O, this is our O position, it will go to O, this O will go to H, this H will go to P position, this one, and then this P will go to F position, and this F piece will go to G position, and this G piece will come back to A position. So our complete cycle is done. We started from A and ended on A. Our corner string is also done. So let's start solving the cube now. So first we'll solve the edges. So for solving the edges, we'll start from the first letter. The first letter was I. So we'll start solving the first piece I. So this is I. I'll take the I to D position. I has gone to D. We'll do that. We'll swap the piece now using the T palm. And then take this piece to I position back. So this I piece is solved. So just like that, we'll do it for next letter, which is P. So P is this. We'll take it to D, and then we'll again take it back to P position. So this P is also solved. Then we'll move to O. O is this. So we will take it to D position first. and then do the T palm. And then I have taken back to this O position. The next letter is W, which is this, so I'll take it on D position, and then so after that I'll take it back to W position. So see, this W piece is also solved. After W, the next letter is D. So D is already on D, so we'll simply do T palm. After D, so after D it might look like the D is not solved. So when we start a new cycle, so D was the new cycle, so the first piece will not look like solved, but we will go for the next letter, which is L. L is this. So L is also done. After L, the next letter is E. So we'll take this E piece to D position and then do T palm. Again, bring that E piece back to D to E. So after E, the next letter is A, which is this one. So we'll take it to D. So we have done the E. Again, see, A was the new cycle, first letter of the new cycle, so first piece is not solved, but we'll not stop at that, we'll go for the next letter, it will be already solved then. So after A, the next letter is R, which is this one. So we'll take it on top, D position, and do and then take it back to R position. So after R, it's T, so T is this one. So we will take it to D like this, and then take it back to T position. So see, T is also solved. So after T, the last letter is Q, so Q is this one on the back, this one. We will take it to D. And then after all the letters are done, see, all the edges are also solved. So all the edges in the cube are solved. Okay, after solving all the edges, because the number of letters in both the edges and corner string was odd, so this is a parity case. So parity case is when the number of letters in a corner and edge string are both odd. So when it is this case, after solving all the edges, we will do one more algorithm, which is called a parity algorithm. So we will do it one time from the same side. We are not going to change the side. And then the formula is this: R U R prime F prime R U2 R prime U2 R prime F R U R U2 and R prime and U prime. So after this we will start solving the corners. So in the corners, the first letter was M. So we will take this piece. So we'll start from this, and so the first letter was M. So we'll first take the M letter piece to P position, because P is our swept position. So this is the M letter position. We'll take it to P and then do the YPUM formula. And then again take it back to M position like this. So see, this piece is solved. After M, the next letter was Q. So Q is this one on the back. So we will take it to P position first like this. So now the M has gone to P, and we'll do the YPUM formula again. And again we'll take it back to the Q position. So see, this Q piece is also solved. After Q, the next letter was O. So O is this. So we'll simply do this to bring it to P position and do the YPUM formula again. And again take this piece back to O position. So see, this piece is on the O position is also solved. The next letter was H, which is this one. So we'll take the P position first. So it's in the P position. Again the same thing, YPUM formula. And then take it back to H position. After H, the next was P. So P is already there, so we will simply do YPUM. After P, the next letter is F. F is this one, so we'll take to P position. So it has come to P position now. And then again same step. And then again take it back to F position. So see, this F piece is also solved. The last letter is G. So G is this. So we'll take it to P position first. So I have took it to P position like this, and then we'll do YPUM. So after this is done, we'll take that piece back to the G position like this, and like this the complete cube is solved. So few things to remember while solving the cube. Always the side that you choose to start solving the cube. Let's say I've chosen the yellow and green. So this yellow and green will always be in front for making the strings, corner edges strings, for solving the corners, for solving the edges, and also for solving the parity case. So we can do the same with our eyes closed also. So just that we have to remember the letters, and to remember the letters there is a separate video in which you can see how to remember this, how to break it into pairs, and how to create a story around it, so that you can remember with your eyes closed. So you can watch that, and with that we can just remember the two strings, keep our eyes closed, and keep doing this for all the letters, and then the complete cube will be solved.